A pleasant afternoon everyone. So dito lang po tayo nagre-relax. Matagal ka na bang inabandona ng asawa mo? Hindi na ba nagpapakita sa bahay ninyo? Iniwan na kayong magpamilya, pumunta na sa ibang lugar at nagkapamilya na rin. At gusto na ninyong mapabaliwala ang kasal ninyong dalawa. I'm sorry to say po, but that is not a ground to file an annulment case. Pinagbubuhatan ba kayo ng kamay? Binubugbog ba kayo? Araw-araw, leaving you black and blue, bruised all over your body. At gusto na ninyong makipaghiwalay sa kanya at mapabaliwala ang kasal ninyong dalawa. I'm sorry to say po, that is not a ground to file an annulment case. Is your husband no longer giving you money? Hindi na kayo binibigyan ng pera for your daily sustenance. Is he no longer fulfilling his duty in providing for you and putting food on the table? At gusto ninyong mapabaliwala ang kasal? I'm sorry to say po, but that is not a ground to file an annulment case. Under the family code po kasi, very specific po ang ground to file an annulment case. So in this video po, alamin natin ano ba yung mga grounds na pwede lang para makapag-file po tayo ng petition for annulment of marriage. Ito po yung mga grounds or reasons. Number 1, kapag nagpakasal po kayo and your age is between 18 and 21, kailangang merong parental consent. Kapag nagpakasal ka between 18 and 21 at walang parental consent, pwede ka pong mag-file ng annulment case. Number 2, that you are of unsound mind. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo alam kung anong pinasok mo. You were mentally incapacitated to know the special contract of marriage that you entered into. Hindi mo alam yung obligation mo as wife or husband. Kasi may corresponding obligation yan once na nagpakasal ka. Kung alam mo lang sana, hindi ka sana nag-say yes. Or hindi ka sana nag-consent to the marriage. Number 3, that your consent, nag-oo ka dahil niloko ka. Merong fraud. So ano-ano po ba yung mga panluloko na yon? It can be found under Article 46. Meron pong 4 na klaseng panluloko. Unang panluloko, hindi niya sinabi na na-convict pala siya sa criminal case before. Number 2, kinonceal niya, hindi niya sinabi na buntis pala siya sa ibang lalaki at the time of your marriage. Number 3, hindi niya sinabi na meron siyang sexually transmissible disease, na meron siyang AIDS or HIV or other STD. And regardless of its nature, kahit seryoso pa yon na sakit o hindi. And number